and it was documented and signed by Officer fucking, I don't know, Dickface, whatever. That way you're showing, yeah, either or. If you mention that it was,
is this make believe? Oh shit! Oh well.
Do you actually think we're in a real fucking court case?
I'm sorry, Moody.
Respawn. Oh my god.
I don't know how this works. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best.
God
okay.
Damn it!
I somehow ended up becoming a prosecutor in VR drama court, and I had no idea what the hell I was doing. The people running the show were very nice and patient with me. However, it kept getting weirder and crazier, and the ending is absolutely hilarious.
Prosecution, do you guys have an opening statement, or do you guys need a couple of minutes?
Can you give us a couple of minutes to talk it out?
Can we get
Your 2 minutes starts now in the evidence room.
Okay, all right. Let's
head
come
into
here.
the evidence room.
Your Honor, permission to
Don't bring out evidence.
Egypt.
I have a question. Wait.
Okay.
What's the case even about?
Oh no, you got to build the case against the defendant. So you got to like have a look. So you can have 2 items from here, and then there's also evidence room of paperwork, like crime scenes, history of violence, criminal records, and all that. It helps build a stronger case.
All right, I got you. Okay,
make sure it's like easy to follow at the same time, with as less holes as it possibly can. Don't bring evidence out yet. That session will come eventually.
I got you. Okay, so what do you think about the idea?
Put that down. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm looking at this needle. I'm the client. All right. I have been stabbed by a needle full of fentanyl and made me turn yellow during an overdose. All right. I think
that's good.
They try to sell foreign substances to me, pretending they're medication to help me with my retardation. Okay, retardation.
We got the needle and we got the.
Okay, don't bring any evidence. Did you
blue
not
powder?
Hear her?
No, I'm just holding it up.
Yes. Okay, cool. Okay. So that's the evidence for later. All right. Now you remember there's going to be them giving me drugs, and I am under of age, and
how old are you?
Me have an overdose and turn my skin yellow. That's what happened. All right.
They stab you with a needle. They turn you yellow. They try to cure you.
You're the prosecutor. You're the prosecutor. So you gotta make
I
your
got
statement.
you.
All right, prepare.
I got.
All right, no problem. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Another T-shirt.
We have a kid in school.
So I'm a little bit of a like. Yeah, he should be. He might have gone off to do something real quick.
Can I and my client here have the other evidence room for a second? Just look what's in there.
You know, while Zach is down. Yeah, sure. Room 2.
Okay, so what do we need? We need.
If you look at these are documentation. So like search warrant. All that yada yada. So,
we need probably a doctor's hospital bill.
Think of it, okay. They're the defense, and we're accusing them of feeding me foreign substances. Now look here, what could possibly be a defense they may have? Look over these documents. You know, take your time.
We might need a
and we can look at this and then
store receipt,
our evidence and find any counter. You know, anything to counter this.
Okay, store receipt. Store receipt?
No. All right.
Wait. This is their evidence.
All right.
Okay. Is this their evidence?
Time left. Okay,
let's go.
Okay, fuck it. Let's just go. Let's swing it.
Yo,
Jordan. The fuck?
Since I am acting stenographer, I will hear your opening statement and I will relay it to Zach, the judge, when he comes back. And if I do get anything wrong, you feel free to correct me or fill in bits I have missed out.
Alright. Remember that guy right there?
Yeah.
He's gonna be
Cosmo has requested to do the defense solo, so
I got you, bro.
Please sit down for now.
So what I'm thinking is that they messaged me on Facebook offering me an alternative way for my medication. I went to them, they gave me this, I took it, I overdosed. They then stabbed me with this, giving me a dose of fentanyl, and I was sent to the hospital.
So you bought this first, but then afterwards they killed you.
They took advantage of me and tried to get me hooked on this fentanyl while I was, passed out from these sick intoxicating substances they fed me.
Okay.
Would you like to
any
make any
evidence?
recommendations?
Yeah, the needle.
I suggest that they had touched a lot of your bills, and I suggest that.
Did you not hear the dun dun?
Oh shit!
I'm so
Time's up.
Fucking hell.
Make a case for retardation first, so.
Yeah.
Look at their group. We got to look at their group.
It's quite
No, opening
Yeah,
statement
see trans or
first,
something, you'll
then
see
the
trans,
defendant
Opening
has an
statement,
opening
then
statement.
evidence.
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Octavia, oh my days! I literally talked to you on AI chats. I'm serious.
It's a dick! There's a
Octavia,
dick!
oh my days.
Holy shit,
I'm so
it's a
sorry.
dick! Don't do it!
What the hell?
Octavia, yeah.
Yeah.
I talked to you, man. I'm serious.
Your Honor, can we get some order in the courtroom, please? So, as I was saying, Your Honor, Mr. Moody Man here was on his way home when this person called Leos the Goat stabbed him with a needle that contained a substance that turned his skin yellow. And not only that, he became a bit retarded, you know? And so after that, because he's now retarded, he sold him some fucked up drugs that fucked him up even more. And my client couldn't work at his comic book store. He runs a comic book store, and he had to stay home and do all those movements and shut the fuck up, bro.
Sorry.
He had to stay at home and bob his head like a fucking idiot imbecile because of the we have the evidence and everything. Like, it's open and close, open shut case. Also, look at this.
Would that be all?
Uh,
God damn it, do I have a boner
Yeah.
right now?
Good job, Moody Man. Good job.
Nut butter, no.
Defense?
Muting.
Would you like to do your
What? What'd I
opening
do?
statement, or would you like to
You guys
withhold?
can do it.
Shit!
He's still doing it.
now, but before.
Prosecution, would you like to clarify and
Yes.
quick
please.
sum up of what's going on?
So, we do
Stick
believe
with the
that
actual
my client.
storyline.
Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to it. Don't worry. I got this one a little bit serious. More serious, you know. He's a very poor man. Okay. So my bud, he suffers from CTE. Okay, it is not so great.
Would you
Yes.
clarify
Honor?
what that is so we can understand it
CTE
better?
is when one of your brain cells doesn't really come out right. That's the best I can explain. You have like little wires. Hypothetically, you have little wires in your brain. There's a lot that are
I'm
cut.
aware of how the neurological
CTE.
function of a brain is.
Yes. Okay, good. You're smart. So my client has CTE. He was born with CTE, and just now they did in fact release a medication that is used to please don't throw the books to fix CTE to help him cope with his unforgiving disability. Now the only problem is that our healthcare is too expensive. It's not allowing. He hasn't been able to purchase the medication he needs. So, unfortunately, our defendants. Yes. What's your name? Leo. Yes, Leo had sold him fentanyl, believing that CTE, that fentanyl will help against his CTE on Facebook Marketplace. After he purchased the fentanyl, we believe that Leo went to his home, followed him home, and then injected him with a needle. I believe that was also another dose of fentanyl. Was it? Yes. Another dose of fentanyl. And it did scar him for life. He's now a lot worse. And it's okay. Calm down. It's right. Okay. I'll help you.
Okay.
Okay.
So
It's
basically,
okay.
you're accusing my client of drug.
Yes,
right?
yes. We believe that your client did in
mean-
fact drug and sell drugs to my client
Okay.
and abuse him of his intelligence. Yes. My statement is close. Thank you.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Majestic statement.
Okay. So Yana,
Jordan, next
I
time,
believe my
do a
client not
backflip.
guilty.
They'll think it's cool.
So,
Me do a
let me tell you
backflip.
what. First off,
I'll do a
let-
backflip.
this
I'm
could
still
happen
in.
since they are at home searching for
okay,
snap or
change your
YouTube
avatar.
videos. That will be
Trust me.
presented in my evidence. That's why I will get it. Next off, there are like, I would say like 14 due to the voice, like maybe 15. So there's no way they could get the drugs since they are underage to get them, and if they even would try to get, they wouldn't, since they are still the decision of that goes to the guardians of the parents. That's all I have to say, Your Honor.
Alright.
Okay, something doesn't add up.
So
Alright.
from what I'm getting is they're underage too underage to actually get their hands on any of it or even sell it.
Are we allowed to gather?
Okay,
Oh,
I
fine.
think that's
there's
five. That's
2
five.
minutes.
Okay.
3,
May I
4,
handle
5. They've
this?
got 5
Is this right?
minutes.
Yeah, sure. I'll take the next one. You do this one.
Wow.
Thank you,
wow.
Crow. Thank you.
You have 5 minutes to collect me 5 pieces of evidence to back up your claim.
2
Wait,
minutes.
we got 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes.
Say 2 minutes? Did I say
Yeah,
No,
five
it's
minutes?
right.
You said-
Objection, Your Honor. Objection.
Alright, sorry.
They got
2
more
fucking
time.
minutes. God
No, it's
damn it.
because she's a girl. It's sexist. Come on, guys.
Now you guys can fucking talk by bringing me up your evidence.
Okay. Crow. I got this. Is this alright? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna bring you one by one. Okay. First, we got the phone. We do have a screenshot of the defendant's profile.
Jonah,
we
you
have a screenshot.
idiot!
If you look
We
it up.
lost the evidence, you fuckhead.
No, wait, I didn't do anything, bro.
What the fuck?
That's
It
right.
disappeared.
The stuff disappeared. Yeah.
Just
Sorry.
go grab it.
I know
Go grab it.
what it was.
Damn
Let me
it.
explain. It's alright. We all make mistakes. So here on the phone is a screenshot of the defendant's profile, claiming he is in fact of age. On Facebook Marketplace. If you just look in there, right?
What else
Yes?
was there?
There was the ID card
Document.
and
ID
uh,
card
and,
and
God
document
damn
of store purchase. Document of store purchase. Yes. I'll go get the document. Thank you.
no, you stay back. Never mind.
I made a mistake. I put a butterfly up my
We'll just
butt
wait for him. He's
hole.
right. Are you frozen? Oh, okay, you're back.
I'll
Okay,
help
sir.
you pick. Grab the other
this?
2.
Anyways,
It's
cell
just-
phone. Yeah, next piece.
Okay, the next piece is the document of the receipt. You could see the fentanyl small dose. I think 35 mils. I think in the package. Yes.
Wait, hold on.
Yes.
You're telling me that this is a store receipt for fentanyl.
Yes, from the defendant. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Your Honor, fentanyl is Your Honor. May I clarify?
Your Honor.
Fentanyl is used in the medical field. It's actually a prescription the doctors use for sedation.
I think they're the one.
The legal
Alright, anyways,
amount.
continue.
Yes.
It keeps the voices out of my head.
It's right. It's right.
The voices.
It's right.
Also,
The next.
Your Honor, we got the ID card.
Hold on, boys. Really quick, before you continue.
Like how he calls me boy.
Alright. I see you.
So we got the ID card verifying indeed that this man is of age and can serve in court.
Oh, sweet.
Okay.
If I'm old enough to drive, am I old enough to buy it?
Zach, just to clarify, someone has gone for dinner, so he's AFK.
I'm gonna do the syringe. Yes.
Gone for dinner.
And
okay.
this is the syringe. This is the syringe that our client was injected forcefully by the defendant.
The fingerprints.
Alright.
I would like to add the fingerprints are still on there. We did use gloves to extract it. It's not
Yeah.
me. The forensics team.
So
we
my
did-
question is, do you guys have a forensics
Yes, sir.
report to back that up?
We do.
2, 3,
you did say
4.
5 pieces. You
Oh,
did
no,
say 5
yeah,
pieces
no.
of evidence.
Yeah,
you-
5, and you did have the blue bag of crystal.
Yes, we did
Give me
5.
some more
We did
bags.
So
five.
this
Five.
is all together. That's 5.
That's the maximum. Yeah.
I can give you some more,
Yeah. That's why
And
we
you
didn't
didn't
have.
get the forensics, I think.
Yes, because we believe that the 5 items were the most important, and we do in
Your
fact
evidence there.
we do have the forensic report. We do have the forensics report, but we were unable to bring it to you because there was a limit 5 items per yeah 5 items. Yes, 5 items. Of course.
You
Yes.
think when the police go out to have an overdose, they would bring a forensics team for the substances?
You said, pal. You said, pal. Yes. The cocaine is not part of the.
Your Honor, did you snort up our evidence?
No, your
So,
evidence is
Your
right
evidence
here.
is right here and right there. This
I
is my
placed
personal
the
bag. Because apparently, to deal with everybody in this goddamn courtroom, I have to do this every once in a freaking while.
Hey.
You know, I get that. I get a little bit of marijuana myself.
Hey, don't count me in.
No, I'm just sorry.
Okay, that's our evidence, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Look at the kids playing on the playground. It gives me therapy.
Okay, anyways.
Oh, that's so sweet, Moody man. It's so sweet, man.
All right.
I love this guy. I love this guy, man. This guy.
First, before I
Make sure
show
that
my
syringe
own
doesn't go
evidence,
off.
can I come forward and see the evidence?
All right, defense. Wait, what?
Cross examination. Come over to my side.
All right.
Everything is right here for you. I'll just turn that. And that's the allegedly ID of your client.
Okay.
Stating his age.
You're right, sir.
Okay.
You're right.
I
Everything all right, sir?
bring my own.
Yes,
Not
I'm
saying
all right.
anything. I think there was a rule that
Okay.
no photo, video, or anything
No
was
photo,
allowed.
video, but text messages are allowed.
Oh. Wait, so they're like from the
Yeah.
they are not
if the
take
group-
Prosecution.
Rules of
for
the court.
Shut.
Rules of the
Yes, sir.
court. There is
Yes.
no video, audio, or picture evidence. It is called witness testimony.
Yeah,
So
is that-
technically,
is that
they're
like
using
from
it
a
as text.
What
Okay,
the?
so they're
It's a
they're using
photo.
from an application. or
screenshot.
just to clarify.
It's not really a text. It's more of a photo. I mean, we have it in the camera roll. It's a
Your
photo.
prosecution.
It's a photo.
If it's
sir.
if it's a
Sure.
photo, it's an irrelevant piece of evidence.
phone?
Then it is
Do
not
I-
allowed.
Using it in
Do I
a
have to
photo or just
get-
like from
No,
the
no. Wait. Okay, Jordan.
It's not the end of the
No.
world.
So actually, so the phone
Yeah,
we're using
you
the
said,
phone.
man,
Jordan,
Yeah,
quiet.
smart man.
So the phone
Can I
we
call the phone?
we have
Cut
the
the post in their position. It's not
okay we
there.
have the
Okay,
we have the evidence.
Quiet.
Okay.
Just one thing.
Yes.
Yes.
We
or
have
no.
it. I can't-
Is it photo or is it text?
No, it's
and
text.
do not change
It's
it
text.
from your original story.
No, it's text.
I heard
It's
your
market.
client say photo.
No. This is
a
text from
screenshot.
from marketplace, from Facebook Marketplace.
The
where-
photo gallery, you piece of shit.
Zach,
So you try. So
is it allowed or
by the way,
no?
is it?
Okay, everyone quiet now.
Oh my god.
Ping, goddammit, quit eating.
Is it obligatory to have this guy here?
Okay, anyways. Is it used for text, audio, or sorry, video, audio, or picture? If not, then if you're using it as a social media, if showing me that you found it on social media and that's what it is, then fine, it is allowed. But if you're saying that if it's a screenshot of it, technically shots are considered pictured evidence.
Now what the hell, man?
Now,
If it was picture evidence, it would be printed out. You fool! Sorry.
but it
Excuse
still
me.
can be taken on the
Please
phone.
excuse me. I'm so sorry.
It's text messages from Facebook Marketplace. That's what it is.
okay then.
Jordan,
I just had concerns
You almost fucked
from
us- you
hearing
almost fucked us,
word
dude.
pictures.
God.
hey, Moody, fire Jordan.
Alright.
He's fucking up your case, bro.
So
Prosecution,
where
clarify
did you
how
get
did
this
you
idea?
obtain?
Would you like to clarify, Crow?
Yeah,
You're
we
the
went.
better lawyer? Yes.
So we went into that room and we grabbed it and put it on the table.
No, how did you obtain said ID as evidence?
Oh well, it
Under
was.
what?
you didn't
Uh,
get any search warrant. So how did you get it?
So
That is
this was.
correct. There is
this-
only a store receipts.
Well, it's obviously, when he walked in, you can see the resemblance. It's obviously this guy.
Yes,
Steve,
but
could you
she's asking
downsize
where
your
you
avatar,
got it.
please?
Forged though.
Oh my
It might be
days.
forged though.
What? Don't you need ID to
Listen,
buy?
I'm so sorry.
Well,
Moody
you
man.
know,
I'm so
the,
sorry.
everyone was ID'd before coming into
I
court.
told my grandma
Otherwise,
earn for this.
Yes,
Couldn't-
but apparently.
We'll get
So
that
let me
one back.
get this.
We'll
Let me
that
get this correct here. So you're telling me
yeah.
that you acquired their client's ID just for them
Yes.
coming in and showing their ID.
Yeah, he's.
Technically, let me go ahead. Hold on.
Do we have to have Spider-Man?
Technically, to have all these evidence that you are presenting, either from the prosecution side and also from the defense side, you will also have to get that.
Yeah, well, while he was in the cage,
you would have to get it actually authorized to use it as evidence in this court case.
So, Your Honor,
so
when
my
he
question is, so the question is, did you have a search warrant signed by an actual judge to be able to acquire these?
I'll explain.
Yes, you do.
I didn't need one. No, I didn't need one because when he was in the cage, he pulled it out of his ass.
You need one.
He pulled it out of his ass and threw it at the he pulled the ID out of his ass and threw it at us at the prosecution, verifying his age.
That's your story.
Chris.
I mean, that's what happened. We all saw it.
May I say something?
Hold on. We're trying to.
Isn't like the convicted brought from the jail instead of being authorized?
If we want to get technical about it, yes, technically it would. Technically, if we want to get technical about it, yes, technically the accused would be brought from
in a holding cell,
some kind of from a holding cell or some kind of county prison, whatever.
So they don't have any ID on them.
Can I have it?
Change it? Can we swap it for another?
No, you cannot.
No, you've already brought up all your evidence.
Okay.
All right. Anyways,
that's what's important.
Dumbasses, man.
That's all I want to say from cross-examination. May I bring my evidence now?
No,
Yes,
I just
you
said
may.
you guys are very smart asses. Smart asses.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
no, you said a bunch of dumbasses. Isn't exactly
No,
what you call
I said a bunch of smart asses. You guys are very handsome people. I swear.
What if he likes your
This is a
ass?
search warrant signed
Keep it
by
up.
Judge Judy. And from the search warrant, on the report, you can say that they searched my client's house. And it turns out there was no any legal substances, such as the evidence given here.
Go back to the persecution desk, please, to avoid tampering with evidence.
They didn't find the syringe.
Wait, no, that's an invasion of privacy. How are you on my client's account? How are you on my client's Google account? That's an invasion of privacy. We could sue you for that. You little shit. Come on.
Her client, not yours.
You know what? Thank you for the observation. Yes. Your mouth isn't really great. Okay.
Prosecution, stay quiet for now.
They couldn't even acquire it, since their guardians have to approve it.
Objection!
And
Objection! Objection!
On what grounds?
Sorry?
On what
grounds is your objection?
Why are you objection?
The what's it called? The birth certificate. I think. Why would the may I stand up? Am I stand up?
You're already standing.
No, I'm sitting down. I'm sitting down. You know, if I'm
Excuse me, it is resting on the chair, Your Honor.
I'm fucking joking around.
You can hear me just fine. Okay, what I'm saying is, why would the defendant clearly lie about his age? I mean, we do have his ID.
No, that was thrown as irrelevant.
Fake? Are you sure?
You did not have the warrant for it, so it was
Wouldn't that
thrown.
mean it's just a fake ID he used?
That ID
Okay,
was
so
thrown.
No, that didn't work.
All right. Since everybody's still on this fucking ID bit, I'm gonna go ahead and explain this. All right. When you are using ID in a courtroom, all right, you would technically want to have a search warrant to be able to back it up that you were able to acquire it and use it as evidence. That means that you are allowed to use it as evidence, because when you are using it into a courtroom, it can easily be scratched off as it could have also been a fake ID and an ID that could have been used. Technically, you guys would have been accused of using a forged piece of ID. So that's why it was stricken off.
Your Honor,
so
there's a
therefore,
search
the
warrant.
ID is no longer relevant to this case.
Here's the search
What?
warrant. Here's the search warrant.
That's for their search
You're
warrant.
not doing cross-examination. Please sit down.
Go back to your table and stop tampering.
So that way, now you guys know how the actual ID part works in the damn courtroom. Does that make sense to you guys?
And all the evidence she's produced so far, it has been linked to having permission with the search warrant.
Yes.
All right.
Can
All right, continue.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
The speeches of what their mother and father said.
Invincible.
Can we hold a
Right.
What the hell, man?
court for interrupting quite frequently?
I'm giving them one last chance, and if it happens again, then I will.
Alright.
Now, my next question for you is, Cosmo, who is it that signed off on the police?
The police report is signed by, if I remember correctly, Sergeant Kyle. They did this
Sergeant
police
Kyle.
report.
Sergeant
Yes.
Kyle.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
They wrote the police report, which includes my client is known on the neighborhood, and that it also has what their mother and father said during the investigation of my clients about selling drugs.
All right. Would that be all for your evidence?
Yes.
All right. Please take your seat.
All right. Prosecution. Now will be the time for you to come up and cross-examine.
Oh, all right.
It can't be that old timer.
Can I come around here and read this?
Hold on a moment. Could you please kick that one that's flying up there?
Mark Grayson.
Invincible.
That's Mark Grayson.
Siggos.
Siggos, yeah.
Okay. Anyways.
Because he's just being a...
He's kicked. Oh my God.
Thank you.
What the hell? Oh, that's someone. All right. I was like, what the fuck is this?
It's just someone. It's funny how they called that though.
All right. All right.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what these papers prove. Anyone can write anything on paper, sir.
Thing is that when she presented these, she actually mentioned on who signed off on all of them.
Yeah, but anyone can say anything about anything.
They have been signed off
Jesus
by
Christ.
authorities and people like another judge.
How do you know that?
The signatures.
Okay, let me ask you something. Is this okay? Everyone, shush. Jesus Christ. Fuck me sideways. Anyways, do you not know how this works?
I have no idea, sir.
Okay, so let me tell you something. Okay, when you are presenting evidence, especially when it comes to a police report, when it comes to the fucking search warrant, and the one thing that you guys have failed at when you guys were bringing up your pieces of evidence is a forensics report. So anything that has any kind of report on it, like a forensics, a search warrant, police report, crime scene, any of that fucking shit, if you mention that they were signed off and you give an actual officer's name and shit, not like an actual real officer, but if you were using it as, for instance, say if you were the judge, I come up to you and I say, yes, I have a police report and this is what blah, 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 and it was documented and signed by officer fucking, I don't know, dickface, whatever. That way you're showing, yeah, or if you mention that it was...
Is this make believe? Oh shit. Oh well.
Do you actually think we're in a real fucking court case?
I'm sorry, Moody. I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
I don't know how this works. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best.
God
okay.
Damn it! All right, anyways, it's all right. I'll explain it to you.
Your Honor,
why is Knuckles?
I'm kind of retired, so I make the wrong decision for hiring a lawyer. So my bad.
No.
God damn it! All right, so look, when it comes to this, okay, obviously this is role play. All right, this is how it's going.
Oh, okay.
Now, and trust me, everybody who does fucking drama court will even tell you this themselves. If you are going to be using something like this, like a police report, you give out your little, pieces of evidence and what it says on there. Now, if you forget to mention that it was signed off by an officer or a freaking like a forensics professor, researcher, or whatever, any of that kind of stuff, if you actually forget to mention any of that,
oh, I get it. I get it. I think I get it. I think okay. The signature was forged. There, I win.
No.
Oh my God.
All right, well, let me.
Wait, why don't we just call the